Bruce, we have heard so much about the sports psychological aspect of things, and Oblique, Seville, Racers and Glen Mills putting some emphasis on that aspect of it this campaign.
Yeah, certainly it's critical. It's the entire body. And in fact, the athletes, let's use 100 hurdles and even 100 meters. The athletes, if you look at the times that they're doing, they're so close to each other. They're being separated by hundredth of a second from the physical delivery of what they're doing. So where do you get that edge? It really comes on the mental side. We have maybe 20, 30 men going sub 10 right now this year. We have another, let's say, call it 15 going sub 9. So they're not that far apart talent-wise. Gift, let's use him as an example in the heats from South Africa, 987. The talent is there, the speed is there, but how do you handle it when you hear on your marks and 68,000 people are inside the stadium with you and another billion people around the world are watching on TV? It's a lot of pressure and you need that extra mental edge.